Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of custom PC builds for 2024? If you're itching to put together a beast of a machine that not only runs ultra smooth but also looks stunning, you've come to the right place. First things first, why build your own PC? Well, the satisfaction of slotting in that last piece and firing up your very own rig is unbeatable. Plus, you could save a hefty sum compared to buying a pre-built system with similar specs. For instance, a solid $1,000 self-assembly could cost you over $1,400 if you went the pre-built route at major retailers. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Starting with the heart of your machine, the GPU. The RTX 4090 is a game changer, literally. It's shredding records with an average of 112 FPS at 4K in the latest games. It's a powerhouse for both gaming and creative work thanks to its stellar ray tracing capabilities. And the best part? Prices are finally coming down, making it a tad easier on your wallet. But your PC isn't just about the GPU, right? Let's talk CPUs. The competition is fierce, but the key here is to look for something that balances power, energy efficiency, and price. Whether it's AMD or Intel, pick a CPU that won't bottleneck your GPU and offers room for future upgrades. Moving on to storage and RAM. With games and applications getting more demanding, consider splurging on a PCIe Gen 5 SSD for blazing fast load times and a minimum of 16 GB of RAM, preferably DDR5 if your budget allows, to keep everything snappy and responsive. Lastly, don't skimp on the motherboard and power supply. These are the backbone of your build. A good motherboard offers not just the necessary slot for your chosen CPU and RAM, but also durability and excellent power management. And your power supply should be reliable and powerful enough to handle all components without breaking a sweat. Assembling your PC is a journey, a rewarding one that ends with you owning a machine tailored to your exact needs and style. So grab that screwdriver, follow some online tutorials, and start building your dream PC for 2024. It's not just about playing games or getting work done, it's about creating something uniquely yours. Dive into the world of PC building. It's never been a better time. That's a wrap for today's guide on building the best PC in 2024. Remember, the most powerful tool in PC building is knowledge, so keep learning and stay curious. See you next time.
Follow and subscribe for more intriguing content.